I'm Matthew Schaefer, and this is my bike check. 2011 Colt CC02. Here it is, and let's get to the bike check. First, grips, Colt the Hard grips, really nice, comfy, wear out fast though. Odyssey Path tires, 2.10 size, Colt stock forks, cranks, Colt OS cranks, really nice. Odyssey clear PC pedals. And then we got the Colt the Heart seat. And then we got the standard Colt stem. Let's move to sprocket. You got the Colt stock sprocket. Then let's go to the back. You got Odyssey Path 2.10 tire. You got Villa rims, Sunringle single wall rims. Don't really like them. Gonna plan on getting new rims. Back hub, Colt hub, Colt match back hub and front hub. Overall, it's a really nice bike. I really like the bike. Pretty all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll post more videos.